Wait, before you scroll, let me ask you something. What if I told you the secret to earning $20,000 0 cents per month on YouTube isn't about going viral, having a million subscribers, or uploading every single day? It's about who you talk to and what you say. I'm going to show you exactly how targeting a USA-based audience and tapping into high RPM niches took me from making pennies to pulling in a full-time income that rivals Wall Street salaries. All from my laptop. No fluff, no fake screenshots. Just the truth. Real data. Real strategies. But first, let me take you back. It was the middle of lockdown. I was broke, tired, and doubting myself every day. I had less than 500 subscribers, a basic mic, and no clue what a CPM or RPM even meant. I just thought, if I make good content, the money will follow. Spoiler alert, it didn't, until I had one moment that changed everything. One night I stumbled on a tiny channel with barely 2,000 subs, yet their video had just 20K views and $1,200 0 cents in revenue. I couldn't believe it. Same platform, same ad rates, but something was different. Then it hit me. It wasn't about views, it was about value and location. See, YouTube doesn't pay you the same for every viewer. A kid watching from India or Brazil might earn you $0.50 per 1,000 views. But a business owner watching from New York, interested in finance or tech, that same 1,000 views can make you $40 0 cents. That's called RPM, revenue per mil, and the USA has the highest RPM potential on YouTube. So I switched everything. My thumbnails, my titles, my topics, even the time I posted, all optimized for one thing: to attract the right viewer from the right place. I stopped chasing virality and started targeting value. I made videos like how to start a US-based online business in 2025, top 5 remote jobs hiring Americans right now, and passive income ideas that work in the USA only. Every single video was built for a high-paying audience. I used US keywords, localized storytelling, and topics that advertisers drool over: finance, tech, health, real estate, SaaS, online education. Want to know the result? My channel jumped from $2 0 cents per 1,000 views to $30 0 cents plus, in some months even $45 0 cents, and the best part? I didn't need a million views to make real money. Just 50,000 views per video, that's $1,500 0 cents. Upload 4 of those a month? Boom! You're already in the $6 0 cents K plus range. But when I ramped up and videos began hitting 100K with strong retention, it snowballed. YouTube started pushing my videos because people watched longer. Because I wasn't wasting time with fluff. I delivered value in the first 10 seconds and held them to the end. I picked a narrow, high-paying niche, not just business, but online income for Americans. Not just tech, but tools for US-based entrepreneurs. I used TubeBuddy and vidIQ to find keywords like LLC in the USA, Affiliate Marketing 2025, and best US banks for remote workers. Everything I did told the algorithm, this content is for high-value US-based viewers. And it worked. My thumbnails used emotional and financial triggers. Why you're still broke, USA only. I made $20 0 cents K last month. Here's my YouTube strategy. This tiny channel earns $500 0 cents /day from just 10K subs. I learned to create a hook in the first 5 seconds. Something unexpected, personal, and bold. And then I structured the video to build momentum. Not just information, but a story, a journey, a transformation. People stayed. They watched to the end. They clicked. They commented. And best of all, advertisers noticed. Because my viewers weren't just random clicks. They were buyers, decision makers, high-intent audiences. That's what brands pay for. That's what YouTube rewards. And once I passed the 8-minute mark on most of my videos, I added mid-roll ads in just the right places, right after the hook, and again, just before the value climax. That small change added 40% more revenue almost overnight. Now I know what you're thinking, but I'm not from the US, can this still work for me? Yes, absolutely. You just have to speak to that audience. Tailor your content for their lifestyle, problems, and language. Research their challenges, their laws, their systems. Use their slang, use their keywords, use their value lens. You don't need to fake where you're from, you just need to serve where your money is coming from. This isn't a get-rich-quick formula. It's a strategy. It took me almost a year of focused effort, testing, failing, pivoting. But now, I wake up to passive income from videos I recorded months ago. $500, 0 cents days. $800, 0 cents days. On autopilot. Not because I got lucky, but because I got smart. USA audience. High RPM niche. Tight scripting. Smart. So what's stopping you? If you're serious about growing a YouTube channel that pays real money, not just likes and views, but actual bankable income, then hit that subscribe button right now. Because I'm dropping weekly videos breaking down high RPM niches, content frameworks, SEO hacks, and monetization strategies that actually work in 2025. And if you already have a channel but want to boost your RPM, drop a comment with your niche. I'll personally reply and give you 3 keyword ideas that could triple your ad revenue this year. This is your moment. Don't waste it. The blueprint is in your hands. USA audience plus high RPM equals $20,000, 0 cents a month. I've done it. So can you. I'll see you in the next video.